Hello, we made it to day 10. This is the pregame challenge, and here we go. Tried to say that with some enthusiasm. There's my disclaimer. You can read that if you like. And welcome to Eva Trades. And let's take a look at the progress first thing in the simulated account here. This is day 10. In 9 days, I've made 2,100 bucks. And I've started with a smaller share size and a moving target. You can see, never mind, you can't see. I don't have it on here. I should put the moving target on here so we can see, keep track of what it's been each day. Right now I'm averaging $242 per day. My target for the day, if I were to put this back over here again, my risk is 107. My target is twice that much. So I'm risking 107 per trade. My target is $214 on the day. So I need 428 to get to that next level. And there you go. So I'll shrink that down. This is the gap scan for today. And it's looking a little bit better than it has the last couple of days. I have a couple of stocks that look somewhat decent. So we'll see. PXMD gapping up 65%. And then drug from, I think, either earlier in the week or last week, if you recall, I traded that one. FRZA trading below the VWAP. It's got an inside bar on the hourly. We'll take a look at that in a second. And then over here on the other screen, I have USEA off of the high of day momentum scanner. So I'm going to go ahead and push play. This is September 2nd, a simulated day. It is 6:25 and there are 5 minutes left until the market opens. And you know the drill. Mark out some support and resistances if you watch these videos. Same thing every single time. So we have a support down here. Bulls putting in a higher low. So we're stair-stepping up on this trend with a higher low and a higher high. A little miniature higher low, more of an inside bar, but it did break out, formed a little support here. So we could call that a little miniature higher low. We could actually look at that on the 1 minute time frame over here. And that's what it looked like. Not quite an equilibrium. I guess I could draw probably an ascending line on that. And let's see what happened. Okay, so we broke over that line. We back tested it, took off higher, and now we came back down to it, broke below it, and came back up above it, back below it. Now we're above it with some pretty good volume here. So making a move, bulls putting in that higher low, bouncing off of the VWAP. I would almost expect, well, this is pre-market. I would like to see an equilibrium form with a high and a low, and I'd like to see us top out somewhere below 583 for a lower high, pull back, and form a higher low somewhere above 527 before finally breaking out. We have an inside bar on the 15-minute. This could just break straight out, though. It is not an inside bar, my bad. Actually broke below it just a little bit. Okay, so on drug, got a 2-bar pullback on the hourly time frame. Where will we find support? Didn't really create any support on the way up. Although we do have this level back in here somewhere. So this area right here, you know, you could draw a line like that and kind of like that. So somewhere in there we've got some support. But I'm not gonna play that. I like the smaller time frames myself. Okay, 27. So what do we have here? So this one is just, I'm just going to watch and we'll see. Here we have a support. Bull's looking for a higher low. Been consolidating here with lower highs and lower lows. Made a nice move up to the VWAP. Almost a double top up here. So bulls want to see a higher low and a higher high. I don't know that that's going to happen. With a minute and a half left to go, so far the 15-minute candle on this looking bearish with a breakout and a failure and now red. So trying to get a feel for market sentiment today. I'm really at this point not sure. We're consolidating on drug, consolidating on FRZA, consolidated on PXMD and now breaking out. And then over here on USEA, I'm not really into it, so I'm going back over here. So I've got a minute to go. Gap scan. So we got the high of day scan. Just looking to see if anything's come up on it. Nothing interesting. Well, good morning, by the way, and thanks for joining me as we get ready here for the market to open on the simulator. 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds to go. So topping out here so far. Have a double top. Would love to see this pull back. Down to this EMA area, possibly down to 550. It's okay if it breaks out a little bit first. So coming up to $6. Breaking through 6, pretty strong. I wonder what the daily looks like. Gotta look at the range of that candle. That's 46 cents. I need to change my stop loss parameter. I had it at 10 cents. I'm going to set it at, I'll go with 25 cents. So what this does when I get into the stock, my stop will be 25 cents away from my entry. So that candle is 46 cents. So I'm going like kind of almost like half of that candle range. Get you back up to the chart there. I might take a trade on PXMD here. It's still looking strong. I would like to take it right around 590 is where I'd like to enter, so I will. I'll take a starter there. It's pulling back. I'm going to jump in it again on that pullback. And now let's see if we can get some continuation off of this. Buying drug over there. So that's a pretty good pullback there. I wanted to add, but I'm not going to. I'll go ahead and take my profit over there. On drug, that's too bad. Drug was showing me that I had $300 in profit, but when I sold it, it only gave me 42. So obviously must be a spread on it or something. That was very disappointing. Taking my profit on drug, getting out of PXMD here. I don't like what I'm seeing. Some volume here on FRZA. Try that again. I'm going to buy this bounce down here too. Things looking like they're going to bounce. There we go. I am out and out. Okay, some aggressive trading there. What I saw from what I was looking at was everybody pulling back to a support level. FRZA pulling back to this EMA, drug pulling back to this VWAP, and PXMD consolidating after several candles of pulling back to this VWAP. That's why I was so aggressive on the entry on all three of those. I'm going to get back out there. So, let me see. Do I want to keep trading? I think I'm at my daily goal, so I could stop and call this a good day. Yeah, okay, take that profit there. I don't know that I actually gained anything. I did. I made 20 bucks on drug. Big pullback on FRZA there, so. Boy, look at drug just taking off. Wow. I did not expect that. I didn't see that coming at all. So I wonder if we're going to end up seeing a halt. Taking my profit. I'm back to zero on the stock now. Okay, up 42 on it now. What's that time looking like? Could I buy a pullback there? Oh, it's dropping back now. So stopping me out. Okay, that's where I want to get in right there. Selling partial. I'm going to get back out there. So I am back at zero on drug. I'm at risk of giving back more than I want to. Because drug is trading so crazily. I don't know if I should buy it. I'm thinking about it here. Okay, and I'll sell it right there. I'm going to widen my stop loss out because it was definitely too tight. Some nice volume there. So I wonder if we get a pullback to the VWAP on this. Yeah, I don't know. I'm up $329 and I'm kind of thinking about calling it. My daily goal is 200 and I'm sitting here at 329 and things are really choppy right now. Things are just, this is a nice bounce play here off of that support. Could have certainly bought that. But I'm worried about giving back half of my profits and dropping below my daily goal. I'm all about baby steps, growing the account a little bit at a time. This is not a day where the momentum is crazy good, so I think I'm going to just play it cautious here. Drug might have some more life in it yet, but That's going to be it for me. So it's a quick one. Only 8 minutes into the day and I am done. Maybe. Let's take a look at drug here one more time. I'll try it once right there and see if it breaks out. I'm not risking much. I'm not going to make much either. If it breaks through 240, I definitely will sell it for about $20. Right now it's got to hold the low of that candle. See a lot of sellers on the ask. Breaking through. Need to see it break through 240. I'm looking down here at the price ladder. I'm going to go ahead and sell it there. So, making a little bit now. Now that puts me up a little bit better on the day. So I'm probably sitting at about $350. And look at that bounce here on PXMD. That did turn out to be a nice one. Also bounced over here too. Both bouncing off those supports. Pretty cool. Not holding the breakout here on drug. I'm not surprised. Boy, this is a nice looking move here. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Okay. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. We'll do it again. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.